Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately we do not have to download any kind of third-party app. All we have to do is to open the list of all apps and localize security. This app is pre-installed by your developer, so simply find it and then tap on it. Now just tap on security scan here. Give the permissions, and now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses or malware, any kind of problems basically. And after that, it will show you the information. In my case, everything is all right. However, if it will find any kind of problems, it will list them, and it will also guide you through the whole process of getting rid of them. And the problems, I mean, not only, for example, the viruses or malware, but obviously it is a significant problem, but also the problems with, for example, the whole environment. So if you've got the system update pending, it will show you the information that you need to take action and you need to download the system update so you can secure your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.